Hey, automotive enthusiasts, Automagsm is back with another mouth-watering discussion this time. We're diving into the 2025 Mercedes Maybach S680, the car that redefines what luxury really means. If you're looking for a vehicle that turns every journey into a special experience, this is it.
The S680 is just a car. It's a status symbol. With its chrome-accented front grille, gleaming Maybach emblem, and futuristic LED headlights, this car exudes elegance and authority. Driving the S680 down the road feels like a royal parade. Step inside, and the atmosphere immediately shifts to that of a luxury lounge. With premium leather seats, elegant wood accents, and customizable ambient lighting, you'll experience top-tier comfort. Plus, the executive rear seat feature and advanced entertainment system make rear passengers feel like they're in VIP seating. But don't be fooled, this luxury is just about looks. The S680's 6.0-liter V12 twin-turbo engine produces 621 horsepower, ready to propel you at high speeds, yet it remains smooth and quiet. The advanced air suspension system ensures that every ride feels incredibly smooth. Mercedes doesn't skimp on safety either. The S680, equipped with cutting-edge safety features like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, ensuring you're always secure on the road. The 2025 Mercedes Maybach S680, the perfect blend of luxury, comfort, and performance. This car is designed for those who demand the best in every aspect. If you're curious about more luxury cars, stay tuned to Automagsm. See you in the next review.